Okay, folks, BMW fans, here we go. Is another fix. Let me show you what happens. Let's just pull off to the side here. So you get the malfunction light and the service engine soon, and you lose all power to the car, and then it tells you EGR excessive flow or EGR excess flow, something like that. Anyway, it's basically saying that the EGR recirculation line is open, and so what do you do? And you lose all power. So there are certain things. Let's open up the trunk. Let's just show them. Gabe, you be my cameraman. So 335D. Here's the airbox. On this car, we changed all the vacuum lines because the vacuum lines were old and torn. This is the original one that I left intact because I ran out of vacuum line. But with the EGR open excess flow, it could be anything. It could be your EGR electronic valve here. It could be the EGR intercooler, the sensors. It could be your tubes, your vacuum lines that are torn, especially in the back there. But on this car, it's the mass airflow sensor. So as you can see, I put some silicone on this thing because the wires are looking kind of like old. This car is almost 200,000. If I connect the mass airflow sensor, let's show them. So I connect the mass airflow sensor, and I try to drive the car. I'm flooring it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. I'm flooring it. I'm flooring it. Look, the car is not pulling at all. The car is not moving at all. Okay, look at this, Gabe. Just show them I'm flooring this car. It's right to the look at it. What it's doing. This is what's the problem with BMWs. And if any one of the sensors goes off, as you've seen on my 335i videos, it just affects the whole thing. So the problem is the mass airflow sensor is messed up. It's completely kaput, and it's cutting power to the engine. Let me just show these guys what would happen. You don't have to get on. Let me come out and disconnect that mass airflow sensor, and let's put some hazards on. Come, Gabe.
Okay.
So let's disconnect this, and let's just put it here so out of the way. Okay. Okay, let's put it on to drive, and I'm waiting for the car to go, and then I'll floor it. Hold on, let me just quickly, let's just quickly erase the fault there. Do a quick erase. see? Shotgun big man. Look at that. So now it's running well, right? Well, it's not running well because it's got no mass airflow sensor. But this is the problem. We diagnosed the problem with the mass airflow sensor. Let me just show them. See, it gains its power back when I disconnect the mass airflow sensor. So yeah, and let's just show them here that this is exactly what's happening. I don't even have to floor it. Okay. Here we go. So we regain. Okay, big man. I think that's enough. That should show them. So the problem is the mass airflow sensor. BMW fans, 335D. We just on this car is not. It's almost what 200,000. We had a broken EGR cooler. We had the upper turbo was gone. We replaced that, and then we drove it a little bit. The power started going out. We replaced all the vacuum lines. Still didn't fix it. And the final thing we could diagnose, because everything is running intact, is the mass airflow sensor. And once we erase the code on the mass airflow sensor, we can drive the car. Once we disconnect the mass airflow sensor, we can drive the car. Now, I wouldn't recommend you guys driving this car without a mass airflow sensor because it's going to put too much fuel and it might mess up your diesel particulate filter in the long run. But or mess up your engine. That's why all these safety checks are there, to cut out the power. So, but that helps you diagnose what happens when you've got excess EGR flow. And it's before you go and buy the valve and buy this and buy that and buy the whole store in BMW, just check your mass airflow sensor.